Full details in the blog post linked in the description. The blog post will be kept up to date with any new details that appear. Check Wi-Fi connection. First off, check to see if the internet is working on other devices, as there could be a general connectivity problem. If everything's fine, follow this basic drill. Check your internet speed to see if it's sufficient for your Chromecast. You can test it on the Google Fiber speed test. If the speed was adequate, disconnect the Chromecast and the router. Reconnect the devices and verify that the image has returned to normal. If not, continue to the next step. Update your Chromecast firmware. Check to see if a new firmware update has been released that you haven't yet installed. New updates usually fix common glitches, so here's what you should do. Open the Google Home app. Click the Devices button and select your Chromecast. Press the three-dot icon in the upper right corner. Select Device Settings. Check for firmware updates under General. If an update is available, install it. Otherwise, try adjusting the resolution using a supporting mobile app. Adjust resolution from VLC. You should stop streaming at this point and try casting video files instead. That'll determine whether you need to contact Google's support team or if the problem is simply one of connectivity. Put differently, if the casting returned to normal after adjusting the resolution in the VLC app, there's nothing wrong with your Chromecast. This suggests that the core issue might be related to Wi-Fi connectivity. Open the VLC Media Player app. Tap the More button at the bottom. Select Settings at the top. Choose Video Screen Orientation. Select Automatic Sensor, which will adjust the Chromecast's aspect ratio to match the resolution of the TV. If the image is still pixelated, you can try changing the orientation to landscape. This will ensure that the Chromecast employs the correct resolution levels on the VLC Player app. Lower the resolution. You might find that lowering the resolution that you are streaming at helps to solve the issue. Reboot the Chromecast. Often, an easy solution is to simply restart your Chromecast device. To do this, open the Google Home app, touch and hold the device's title, tap Settings, More Settings, then Reboot. Alternatively, you can simply unplug the Chromecast for at least 60 seconds, which will reboot the Chromecast. Clear the cache. It would also help to try clearing the cache of your Chromecast. To clear the cache on Chromecast with Google TV, you need to follow these simple steps. Go to your profile icon and select Settings, then System, then Storage, then Internal Shared Storage, then Cache Data. Select Clear Cache Data for all apps, then click OK. Factory reset the Chromecast. As a last resort, you can also try factory resetting the Chromecast. While the device is plugged into the TV, hold down the power button for around 25 seconds. The device would flash red, then white. Once it flashes white and your TV goes blank, release the button. If you are still having trouble, there might be some additional solutions in the comments. I will also update the blog post linked in the description with any additional fixes that I find.